Hey guys, I just want to just take a minute to go over the grading rubric for our writing assignments. And specifically, I want to talk about the idea of sources and references, okay? I'm just going to use the grading rubric and assignment guidelines for our recent journal assignment on capital punishment and the purposes of punishment, okay? Um, so regarding the guidelines for submission, it only references here that any references that you use must be cited in APA format, and then it provides a link here for you to go to the APA style so you understand how to properly cite something. Uh, but all of the writing assignments will have a critical element or a criteria, which is citation and attributions. And although the assignments may not require you to use a source, in order for you to earn these 5 points here, you'll need to include at least one source. Uh, Typically, the best source for our class is our textbook. All right, so all the items that you're going to be writing about, um, you can probably tie some area back to our textbook, or in some assignments, you have maybe some articles that you can reference, all right? So go back and then you can reference those specific articles. But at least try to get one citation, all right? And then what you'll need to do is a short reference page. So again, we'll try to keep it to at least one. The purpose of this here is to get you to learn how to use and apply citations as you prepare your writing assignments. All right, so again, in order to earn these 5 points, and I don't believe the value of this particular critical element changes over any of the writing assignments, but in order to earn these 5 points, you will need to include a reference or a citation to a our textbook or some um, resource that might be posted in the module. Okay, so I just wanted to go over that real quick because, like I said, although it doesn't specifically say here in the assignment guidelines, the rubric is pretty clear that in order to earn these 5 points, I need to see some citation um, that you posted and that you use as a reference. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. If not, kind of let me know. So just something to keep in mind as we move forward. All right. I think that's it. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.